Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do something fun, right? Like always, but little warm and cozy too. So we are going to do this headband or the ear warmers, okay? When we don't want to wear our hats and we want to keep our head warm also. Okay, this is a beautiful one and exciting one, very easy, believe me, trust me, it's really simple, and you can make them in all the colors whichever you like according to your outfit. So I'm going to teach you each and everything how to do this simple, easy, yet very beautiful and very warm headband or ear warmers. Okay, so making this one, I used this yarn. It's a Aran weight 4 medium weight yarn. Okay, its name is beige powder, right? Okay, so for me, and the hook size I use is 5.5 mm needle. Oh, jumped needle and scissors to cut the yarn. Okay, so just that much. So you can use any yarn whichever you like. Okay, you just have to keep in mind the measurements and the stitch count. Okay, so I hope you enjoy and have fun. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so we are going to grab a yarn, make a slip knot, place it on a hook, and we are going to chain 15. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 and 15. Okay, now once you have your chain of 15, you are going to twist the chain, go in the back arm early. If you want, you can work in the front chain also. Now in the third chain from the hook, so this is the first, second and third. In the third chain from the hook, we are going to make an half double crochet. Okay, now remember that this chain 2 is just for turning. Okay, it doesn't count as a stitch. So we are going to just half double crochet in the next stitch, half double crochet in the next, in the next, and in all the other chains till you reach at the end. So you're going to have 13 half double crochet. Okay, now here I finished. So make sure you count all the stitches and you have 13 half double crochet. Okay, once you finish, going to chain 1. Okay, and we turn our work. We go the back side. Now this is the first stitch here. So in that stitch, you just do like this. This is the first space here. This is the first space. In that first space, we are going to put our first half double crochet here. Okay, now we are going to put half double crochet in all the other stitches and you're going to count. Okay, so this is the first one, second, and you should have 13 half double crochet. Okay, fourth, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and here is our last half double crochet, this one. Now this chain 2 does not count, as I said. Okay, they're just for turning and giving us the height. So here is our 13 half double crochet. Okay, so now what we are going to do, chain 1, turn our work, and we are just going to work 13 half double crochet back and forth all the way till we get our measurement. Okay, so here I have reached the end, and my last stitch will be here. This will be my last stitch. Okay, so you can see here is the last stitch. Because of the chain 1, it just goes little bit pulled down. Okay, but don't forget this is the last stitch here, and you can always count your stitches and make sure you have your 13 stitches. So you are going to put your last stitch here. Okay, the 13th one, and that's all. That's how. So here now you can see from here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. Okay, so you should have 13 stitches back and forth. Okay, so you're going to, so this is width of the headband, okay, or the ear warmer. This is the width. Now you're going to work the circumference of that. So you're going to take as many rows you need, back and forth working till you cover your head nicely and it comes front nicely like this, joined. Okay, because that's where we are going to join it. So you're going to just keep on measuring. After a little while, when you take, you should get enough to cover your head, passing through the ears. Okay, passing from the ears. Okay, you should see that your ears are nicely covered. From there you're going to take this headband and join and find out whether you are comfortable or not. You're going to do how much loose you want, how tight you want. Now the other way to do that is by taking your measuring tape and just keep on measuring like this, okay, till you get 21 inch. You're doing for an adult size. This is an adult size, so I'm doing for myself. So adult size, you need to go up till 21 inches. Now after reaching 21 inches, you wrap it around your head and see if you need less or more, okay, depending on your preference. Now if you are doing for teenager children, you have to measure the circumference first of the head, okay, like this. You have to measure it. Okay, you have to take it from the ears, back of the hairline, okay, from the ears to the forehead. Just measure it and see how much it is. Okay, now when you're satisfied with that, that's the number you're going to make as long as it needs. Okay, the headband, the ear warmer will be that much long, okay, because we need to cover up. Okay, so this is how you're going to continue. I'm going to continue my work, and once we finish, we are going to come back and start our next step. Okay, so continue. I will see you soon. Okay, see here I have finished my length, okay, of 21 inches. So now what I'm going to do is, once I'm satisfied, I'm just going to cut little amount of yarn, only this much. Okay, and now we get to sewing. So I grab my needle, thread it. Okay, so here's what you're going to do. Now both the sides are same. There is no right side or wrong side. So first thing, the down part where we started our work, we are just going to fold it in half like this, and the part where we ended our work, fold it into half like this. Okay, two equal parts, and now we are going to put them like this as if they are eating each other. Okay, like a Pac-Man. So this tail I'll keep it out. Okay, and make them intersect and just arrange them equally like this. Okay, nice and equal. They are there. Okay, and now what we are going to do, we are going to take a yarn and needle and go into the first stitch here, go in there, then take one stitch. So we are taking all 4 stitches from all the 4 sides. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. So from all the 4 sides we have put 1 stitch each. Okay, top of 1 stitch each, and then we are going to whip stitch. So make sure that you take all 4 sides stitch. Now cinch it. Okay, try to close it as tight as you can. Make sure you grab all the 4. Okay, once you have done, I have the yarn remaining. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back in the side, going back the other side. Okay, just to make more secured. And when you feel your yarn is getting finished, you need to weave in the tail, just do that. Okay, and if you have extra, you can go other side and do the extra part here. Okay. And once you're done, you're just going to weave in your tail on. I'm just going to weave in on the top where we did all the whip stitching, just in that. Okay, going to the some of the stitches. Then going back. So here I came out from this stitch here. So I'm not going to insert the hook the same direction from that same stitch, but go in the other stitches, but this direction only, but from the other stitches. Okay, and once you're satisfied, just snip extra. Now I'm going to do that same for the other tail also. Yeah. Just snip the excess and done. Now it's the fun part. So this is where we have stitched. Now what we are going to do is we are going to just twist it in this way. Just flip it, and here you go. Your hairband is ready, right? Isn't it beautiful? And you just give this, like this, arrange it, and voila, a beautiful hairband is ready. And warm and cozy one, where you don't want to wear your hat. This EARWARMER's headband is totally perfect. So here our headband, our EARWARMER is done. So I hope you enjoyed making this fun, sweet little. I hope you enjoyed making this headband with me. A sweet little, fun little project. So I hope to see you in our next video with something new and something fun. So till then, take care, stay warm. Do not forget to subscribe my channel, okay, so that you don't miss any of the fun videos which are going to come. So stay safe, take care, and bye bye.